Kitch! Grabe ikaw magaling ka sumiksip kay sister Nakita ko yan Kitch, of course you're doing a lot of things, but tonight, you made us happy with your performance. How about you tell us, greet first the people of Bulacan, and then of course tell us a little bit more as to how they can follow you saan makikita si Kitch.
Okay, good evening everyone! Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Nag-enjoy ba? Nag-enjoy naman lahat. Grabe, alam nyo, sobrang thankful ko na maging part ng gabing to kasi alam ko kung paano pinaghirapan ng D-Grind, Johnny Teacher, Jobel, itong event na to. At the same time, hindi lang to about sa dancing, it's more about the energy na binibless nila ngayon with us. And ayun, medyo nakakapagod pala sa mga no?
Inhale, exhale muna.
Yeah, inhale, exhale muna tayo. Ayun, you can follow me sa Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Pwede nga, pasinya-sinyali ka na dito.
Ay, dito ka na. Come. Don't be shy.
Thank you so much.
Nasa mo na. Yeah.
Thank you, Rox. So, ayan, you can also check my podcast, Listen Kasakich. Then tomorrow po, premiere na rin po ng pelikula namin. Kasama ko po dyan sila Ronnie Alonte, Loy Sandalo, at Pina Mercado. 3 words po. Ayan.
3 words.
Yes.
Will allow you to catch your breath.
Okay.
Once again, I put a big hand for Kitch.
Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great evening.
And don't forget to catch the movie.
Gonna catch you later.
Catch you later. Take your breath first. Maraming salamat, Kitch, for joining us right here. Wow, grabe. Super galing ng mga performers natin, mga student, and of course, and guests also, and my co-host as well. You guys are fantastic, and I know everybody's enjoying. So how about this time, we bring in some more excitement. Ang gagaling ito, sobra, partner.
Yes, our next prod, grabe talaga. Mga idol ko talaga to. My God, inaabangan ko to sa TV and sa
Oh my gosh, speaking of that, I think their performance is something related when they perform for the Miss Universe Philippines stage.
Yes, that's how I met them actually.
That's how we met them, all of us, through Miss Universe. Myself hosting, you being a part of it as representing Quezon City, and of course them really working the dance floor. That is why, let us